Hey, people. Hello, everybody. I think IPL is just waking us all up,
Hi
uh,
guys.
keeping us up with the permutations and combinations now. Because now we are going to bring out our calculators and see which team is going to, because Kings 11 upsetting Delhi Capitals. It was really an upset, although the match didn't seem like that way because it was pretty much one-sided. But they have really, brought this tournament alive through their performances in the last three matches. And suddenly, from languishing at number 8, they're very close to the top 4. They're at number 5. And today is an important match because it's between number 3 and number 4. And whoever loses, especially if it is KKR, then they will be looking behind them and saying, hey, I mean, there is KXIP, snapping at our heels. There is Rajasthan Royals, which is doing well. So it may get tricky for KKR if they lose today. On the other hand, we have RCB, uh, you know, which has seemed a better bowling unit and surprisingly not as good as a batting unit. I mean, if you keep out AB de Villiers, he's actually literally won them 3 games on his own, right?
Yeah,
And that is despite very poor performance from the other batsmen
I think
in those
Chris
matches.
Morris has made a lot of difference with coming in
Chris
and
Morris has made an
bowling.
excellent difference. Yeah,
He's the Jofra Archer of RCB side. I think he can
absolutely.
bowl those really good slow ones, dead on, and he bowls those cutters and stuff like that also, which
No,
really
he's an
helps the team.
excellent bowler. He's a very, very good lower order enforcer, a better batsman than Jofra Archer, in fact. So he lends a lot of balance. But what I mean is, apart from Virat Kohli in a couple of matches, it's mainly been De Villiers who's been winning the matches. And,
Yeah,
the top order, Padikkal obviously played well in the first 3, 4 matches.
but
Now it's sort of come
I
off
think
the
it's
boil a little.
nobody is in that stride of forms, but
Yes,
everybody has had like Finch has
contribute.
had I think 2 half centuries that he's played, and he one of them led to a match-winning half century. So I feel like they all have contributed a little bit, but nobody has shined through as much as AB de Villiers. He
Yeah,
has been the
but
highlight,
you can't say that for KKR, right? KKR actually
definitely.
nobody has fired in the batting side. I mean, you've got Oil
Nobody
Morgan.
knows, like they've been performing worse than Kings and Punjab, but nobody knows how they have still
They,
like
they,
are
they've
of the
managed to
fourth
win.
position.
They've
Yeah,
managed to win somehow. I think you have to put it down to good captaincy from
maybe
Karthik
yes.
and also Morgan. So I think it's very interesting, a very interesting matchup today. People, you have any opening bites? Anuradha, kuch kehna hai aapko? People, any opening bites before I get started with the questions?
Why? Bengaluru versus Bengal.
Bengaluru versus Bengal. Yeah. So we got a Bengaluru fan I know, in Kriti. I mean, at least it's her city, and I know I have a KKR fan living in Mumbai somewhere, isn't it, Mayuresh? So yeah, it's gonna be a great battle. Let's see, and I'm sure Mustafa will find something
I'm
to.
I'm the neutral one.
No, no,
Yeah.
no. You may find something to further Mumbai Indians
Yeah,
cause,
that is
right?
for sure.
Yeah, you may want
That
KKR to
way,
lose.
KKR should win and RCB should lose in that sense.
He always supports the underdog, remember?
Underdog.
That is
But
true.
interestingly, data-wise, KKR has beaten RCB more.
Yes,
Yeah,
indeed, indeed. In fact, that is one of the matchups which it's so lopsided in favor of KKR actually.
yeah,
But this season, when RCB met with KKR, it was AB de Villiers. He did that magic in the last match and really pounded them in the last 5, 6 overs. Took the score to such an insurmountable level that these guys lost by 82 runs. KKR. So hoping for a cracker of a match, a better match than the previous one. And this tournament needs it now. This tournament needs it now. We need to look at various permutations and combinations. All right, people. Anuradha, I'll start with you. The first question. Uh, okay.
let's go.
हमने बात करी विराट कोहली और एबी डिविलियर्स की. अब उनके उनके बारे में ही ये सवाल है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक विल देयर पार्टनरशिप यील्ड टुडे? कितने रन की पार्टनरशिप करेंगे? विल इट बी लेस देन 30, 30 to 45 or 45 plus?
Can I say what I'm hoping for?
Yes, please.
Less than 30.
Did I spot a KKR fan, people? I mean, just remind me, is that a KKR fan talking? Yeah.
No,
Yes.
I'm going to have a very good win
Okay.
today.
So
But actually, nahi, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. I love watching David de Villiers bat. So I'll go with 35 to 30 to 45, did you say?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
30 to 45.
This is like opting for that middle path कि थोड़ा
Yeah,
batting भी देखने
this
को
is
मिल
the
जाए,
safe answer.
45 won't harm too much because the other batters are
The
not.
thing is, I don't know why we are so careful when there is no punishment or prize at the end of it. I don't know why we are so careful.
We are hoping
I
that
think it
Swapnil
has
is
to do
taking
with
record of all the
rather
predictions that we are
ego.
making.
No.
Yeah.
We will do that. Yeah, what Mustafa said is exactly right. We will do that. We will. One day you'll see a video where we are all getting it wrong. You know. So anyway, Kriti, it's your city up against KKR. What do you think?
45 plus.
You forgot KKR. Kriti
Sorry?
and KKR.
Kriti and KKR. Yeah. So,
Yeah, I have love for KKR. Yes, that's true. But अगर मैंने इतना ज़्यादा KKR के support में बोला ना तो बैंगलोर से मुझे मार पीट के भगा
बैंगलोर से
दिया
निकाल
जाएगा.
देंगे
So no, 45 plus.
all right. Okay.
Namma
Mayuresh.
Bengaluru.
Okay. Namma Bengaluru. Ami KKR. Mayuresh.
I will go with 45 plus for De Villiers and Kohli for today.
Okay. All right.
Yay!
Hoping, but I hope they don't cross even double-digit figures.
So what you're hoping for and what you're predicting.
I'm just predicting something which my mind says, but my heart says they both should get out for 0 today.
Mayuresh.
That's almost impossible. I think
That
that's
is
what happened.
fantastic. Yeah. Mustafa, what do you think?
I think 30 to 45. I think that's the safest bet because obviously not in 30 because they take a lot of singles. So even if they just compile singles, they will go across 30 and a little more than that. And then maybe Kohli gets out and De Villiers takes it all the way until the end.
Okay.
So I think 30 to 45.
Okay. ठीक है. All-rounders की बात करते हैं. Mustafa, because you talked about Chris Morris, we'll start with you. Which all-rounder you think will impress us more? You've got 3 options. You've got Chris Morris, Washington Sundar, or it's going to be one of Narayan or Russell, depending on who's playing, because maybe both of them may not play. So which of these 3 options would you go for?
I would say, I think Sundar has really impressed everybody with bowling in the power play overs with those restrictions on him and still giving out good overs of like 4-5 runs and 6 runs. That's really well done. Besides, I think overall performance, I think Chris Morris is going to have a bigger impact because I think he's going to take some wickets also. He's going to take more wickets, I think.
All right. Okay. Anuradha.
Sundar.
Washington Sundar it is for you. All right. Okay. Kriti, who are you rooting for?
Okay, I am. Pardon?
Who are you rooting for?
Just like
Who am I rooting for? Yeah.
No, go ahead.
nothing.
You're all ears.
Sorry,
right
my network is really bad today. बार हाँ थोड़ा बुरा हाल हो रखा है इधर. Okay, so in my opinion, or rather, I am rooting for Chris Morris.
Okay. Mayuresh, what does our expert have to say here? The KKR expert, that is. Yeah. Can't hear you at all.
Washington Sundar somehow other has not done well with the bat. So if I want to categorize an all-rounder, I will go with Chris, looking at his record and everything.
Okay. So Chris Morris for you. Great. All right. The third question, and we'll start with you, Mayuresh. Who amongst these 3 will have the highest score today? You've got 3 options: Dinesh Karthik, Devdutt Padikkal, and Nitish Rana.
I would like to have Dinesh Karthik or Nitish Rana to have a highest score in today's match. But I personally, I think it will be, my prediction will be Dinesh Karthik.
Okay. He has looked good. He started to look good. That's true.
Yes, he has started, and I want him to perform in today's match because it's one of most. I think compared to both the sides, I'll say it's more important to KKR to win today's match
Absolutely.
as complete. Because if they lose this match and tomorrow's match result goes both the ways, I think there will be another team who will be on the same point with KKR. So I think just want KKR to win today's match.
Sure. I think that's fair. Mustafa, what do you think?
Sorry, what was the question again?
So the question is, which of these three will have the highest
Three
score?
batsmen. Okay, yeah. So I feel like I don't know. I have a soft spot for Nitish Rana. I think he plays really well when he comes off well. He does play well, but I don't know. He's just not been able to. I think he's gotten run out also a couple of times, unfortunately, in the tournament, and it's just not been his way. Dinesh Karthik, he's finding late form, and now he's coming into his own. So I think the safe answer would be Dinesh Karthik. I think and Padikkal, he gets those starts, but then we've seen that he doesn't have the ability to convert those starts into one of those big innings, which we know Dinesh Karthik and Nitish Rana both. So that's why I'm more in favor of Nitish Rana and Dinesh Karthik, and within them, I think Dinesh Karthik, I'll be rooting.
Okay. So DK is the favorite one. I know why you have a soft spot for Nitish Rana though, because he used to play for Mumbai Indians for a long time. Anuradha?
Dinesh Karthik.
Dinesh Karthik, my God, DK has a few fans. Kriti,
Karthik.
my word, nobody rooting for the youngster Padikkal. That's surprising. He's played well. It's just that he's not really taken off, as Mustafa rightly said. Okay, the fourth
हाँ, तो आपने
question.
सवाल भी तो ऐसा पूछा, आपका सवाल अगर होता राइजिंग स्टार कौन है, तो हम उस हिसाब से जवाब देते हैं. आपने सवाल पूछा कौन करेगा,
कौन ज्यादा रन बनाएगा जी. ओके, ठीक है, आपसे शुरुआत करते हैं फिर. नेक्स्ट सवाल ये देखिए, शायद आपके इट इज इन योर एली होपफुली. हु विल हैव द बेस्ट इकोनॉमी रेट टुडे? 4 बॉलर्स का ऑप्शन है: वरुण चक्रवर्ती, युजवेंद्र चाहल, वॉशिंगटन सुंदर और लॉकी फर्ग्यूसन, जिनकी हमें बात करनी चाहिए. फर्ग्यूसन वाज अमेजिंग इन द लास्ट मैच. What do you think?
दो नहीं पिक कर सकते, लाइक इधर और नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं, do not have that option. Sorry.
Yeah,
It's a
I'm going
difficult
to
one
go
for
with
sure.
Chahal.
Chahal?
हमें जीवन में, हाँ.
Okay, okay. Anuradha?
I'm thinking. आप एक बार फिर से बताएंगे मुझे ऑप्शंस?
ऑप्शंस हैं वॉशिंगटन सुंदर, युजवेंद्र चहल, वरुण चक्रवर्ती और लॉकी फर्ग्यूसन.
Ferguson.
Great choice. I think he was fantastic. I mean,
But he was absolutely
he was
fabulous,
just
so.
amazing in the last match. I think he single-handedly,
Won them that match.
won
Yeah.
them that match. I mean, it was a hopeless situation for KKR otherwise, and single-handedly, what an amazing match he had.
Yeah.
It's very, very, it was exceptional that day.
इसलिए तो चाहती हूँ डे विलियर्स कोहली पार्टनरशिप
ब्रेक हो, जल्दी हो, ब्रेक हो.
I think it's a very big surprise, like when he played that match and like when he bowled, because I have known Lockheed Singh to be a bowler who gives a lot of extras, who bowls a lot of wides, who bowls a lot of no balls. He's known for like overstepping also a lot of times because of the pace that he wants to generate from that run up that he has. So I don't know. I was really surprised to see him bowl that quick because I thought that oh आज team में है ये तो पिटने वाला है for sure, because he bowls 150 and then he gets hit also at the same pace back all the way into the stands. But I think KKR or New Zealand has done the magic where he's gotten the line and length spot on this
No,
time.
but 2019 World Cup, he performed pretty okay. I mean, he was a good bowler in that tournament for New Zealand.
But I wouldn't expect him to come in and take like such wickets and like just give out, I think, what, 5-6 runs, thing like that.
It was crazy.
That was just surprising because he is a bowler who goes for runs, right? Because at that pace, even if you edge the ball, it's going to go for 4. There's no way third man is going to catch up to that ball at that pace, right? So I was really surprised. So I think I will root for Ferguson today because I think the amount of confidence he's going to be bringing in from the last match. Yesterday also we saw that Shami again bowled beautifully.
Yeah.
I think it was all the confidence that came in from that super into the match. Again, he bowled amazing. I think he bowled the last over where he took the beautiful Yorker bowled wicket on the last ball itself of Shimron Hetmaya. Beautiful bowling. So I feel that confidence for bowlers matters a lot. So I am going to go with Lavi Ferguson.
Okay. Harish.
I'll also go with Lucky Ferguson. I think you have missed Chris Morris in the list, but I think he's one of the person who has bowled economic for
Neither
RCB.
the bowlers. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think Loki's performance last match, looking at it, I expect him to bowl well. And Abu Dhabi is, I think it is helping both spinners and fast bowlers. But I think fast bowlers are bowling, I think they are bowling more economical as compared to spinners.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So question 5. Why don't I start with you, Mustafa? We're looking at combined scores for both the teams in the match. What do you think will the combined score be? Less than 320, 320 to 30, 330, or 330 plus?
So I think Abu Dhabi would. I think now the tournament has come to that point where 180 plus is the standard, right?
Looks
Anything
like.
below 180, you are going to be not sure of defending those runs, right? So 180 and then, so I think about 340 or 3. What are the options again?
Less than 320, 320 to 330, and 330 plus.
I think 330 plus would be. I think, but it's going to be 320 to 330. Yeah, between
320 to 330. Okay. All right. Meresh.
I think looking at the last two matches at Abu Dhabi, I think both the matches they were less than 320 runs scored. I think Mumbai versus KKR, and I think the other match was between CSK versus RR. I think in both the matches it was below 320. But I'll say maybe the batting lineups are better, looks better. So I'll go with the option of 330 plus.
Okay. Kriti? You're on mute. Can't hear you. Oh,
Sorry, my dogs were barking and then I forgot to unmute.
No
Sorry,
worries.
330 plus.
Okay. And Anuradha?
320 भी नहीं होगा.
Hi.
Oh,
Less than 320? Oh God.
she's hoping Logie was again going to bowl like.
I just think you're assuming RCB will fold for very little.
No. That's not what I'm assuming. I'm assuming that the bowling
No,
attack
she's hoping.
from both the teams will be really, really good. Okay. That the batters will struggle today. Okay. And this is what my hope is.
Well,
So, yeah.
that's your prediction.
320 se kam. Yeah.
We'll hold you up. We'll compare what happened. We'll evaluate you. Okay. Last question. And we'll start with you, Anuradha. छक्कों की बात करते हैं, बहुत सारे छक्के पड़े, कल भी पड़े, हर मैच में पड़ते. शारजा रहता तो मैं ये सवाल शायद पूछते ही नहीं आपसे, बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. But today in Abu Dhabi, which team will hit more sixes, RCB or KKR?
That is interesting. Of course, De Villiers के sixes शायद सबसे ज़्यादा है अभी तक.
Exactly.
Yeah, but then it's
Hey, Nicholas Puran took him for the first spot.
Overtook him yesterday.
Who?
Nicholas Puran
from Punjab.
Nicholas, how many now?
He must be 22 or 23. He must be. They were tied
And
at
De Villiers is on
19.
19.
Yeah, they were both tied on 19.
Yeah, okay. So anyway, अब कहानी ये है कि De Villiers तो है एक साइड पे, विराट कोहली भी हैं, वो भी छक्के मारते हैं, but then there are many people in KKR who collectively can beat a De Villiers and a Kohli.
Of course.
Okay, so I am putting it on KKR for this one.
So the only factor is De Villiers. If he lasts long, he may outscore a lot of people. But if he doesn't, then it's clearly KKR, advantage KKR.
De Villiers is on the crease for long. RCB is winning.
Yeah, and they'll hit more sixes.
It's not just that he bats. It's that he has certain spirit. Okay, his presence on the crease just gives RCB that extra confidence.
Totally.
And Kohli and De Villiers together, of course, that's another thing. But if KKR gets De Villiers out early, then we don't know. Then we'll have a cracker of a match.
Yes, and I think, yeah, okay. Mustafa, what do you think?
I think I'm going to go with RCB. I think we all are forgetting Finch. He's had a couple of half centuries, and last match also he got going, but then he got out unfortunately. But the few hits that he had were clean as a whistle, and the amount of power that guy has, he can clear any ball for a six, even if he edges the ball or if he mistimes it. So I feel overall, I think RCB just has more firepower, like Kohli, Finch, like these people are like big six hitters, you know. And in terms of KKR, if you see their lineup, they just don't seem like such, like, you know, even Dinesh Karthik, right? He's not such a big six hitter. He's more of the person who will find the gaps, hit the boundaries and stuff like that. I feel I would say that RCB would, you know, be scoring more sixes than.
Okay. Mayuresh.
I think I'll say both. I'm not sure who will be hitting more. Bit confused, but I hope KKR hits more sixes today. I think RCB again this year are more dependent on Kohli and De Villiers to do the bulk of the scoring. When they are in a crunch moment, they are depending upon De Villiers and Kohli to do it. I think there is no difference in RCB from this year and the previous years. Again, we pick up the matches, we'll see it is De Villiers who have won them a close matches or Kohli who has played for them.
Sure.
Finch, I am not sure how much he will do with the new ball. Cummings, Ferguson, even Mahi has a good pace and he bowls at a very good length. So I'll still, it's a very close call to call who will hit more sixes in Abu Dhabi. But I'll go with KKR.
Okay. All right. And Kriti.
See, I agree with what Anuradha and Mayuresh have said. And I, therefore, I'm going to go with KKR because you cannot put the entire load on one or two people in the team.
Okay. So all right. Understood.
I think Mayuresh and I are hoping more than we are predicting today.
So there are two KKR fans. It's very clear. It's very clear there are two KKR fans.
Guys, I know this is not a question, but I just want to know who are you all rooting to win today? Because
Yeah, this is
I'm a
something
bit
that I want
confused.
to.
I'm like, I'm not sure actually. Like,
I was about to ask that, and very quickly,
Yeah.
let's just go very quickly. This is a rapid fire. All right, Kriti, on the count of 5, who are you supporting today? Who do you think will win? Go ahead.
Today or generally?
Today.
Today.
Who's going to win?
you
RCB.
can't think so much.
Okay, RCB. Anuradha.
RCB, okay.
RCB.
Okay. Mustafa.
She also took that much time, okay?
Okay,
I'm rooting for RCB.
Okay, and Mayuresh.
I am rooting for KKR.
All right, so we got 3 RCBs,
Who
1
will win
KKR.
and
and
who
Kriti.
are you rooting for are different questions.
That's
okay?
fine. I mean,
No, even I think KKR is going to win now.
all right, okay. I think fabulous to have your predictions. And as I said, as I promised, I'm really thinking now around match 45, 46, we'll have, an analysis of all the videos done, all the predictions made, and we'll stack that up against the results and see who's winning there. All right. And
So after leaving, we should get vouchers, okay, for this if we win these
You absolutely
expert
should.
reviews.
that's a good one.
Just like on the app.
Totally. I think people today, there are 2 contests. I mean, you win today's match. There is a voucher to be won. You get 6 predictions in a play zone, right? All 6, you get a voucher again. So play on Play CKC, people. It's great fun. We are following the matches on IPL. We're playing it on, we're following IPL on Play CKC. We are playing Play CKC on Play CKC. It's great fun. And rather, your ending bite before I call it quits.
Play CKC, it's better than fantasy.
Predict karo play CKC par.
Predict kar Play CKC par. All right, guys. Chalo. Thank you.
Predict kar play CKC par. Chalo. Bye
Bye,
bye.
guys.
People. Bye.